So before we start the show, I want to dedicate this to my grandfather, the great Armando Q. Leyva. Tatay, this show is for you. I hope I always make you proud. I love you.
So as a youth who is an internet user, ano mga magagawa natin? So at a young age, you should use the internet productively. Use time to gain more knowledge. And in social networking sites, instead na mag-post tayo ng mga chismis or nakakasira, alam niyo ba meron ako mga friends, nagpo-post sila, medicine to doctor to. Nagpo-post sila, hiwalay na ang parents ko, thanks dad, iniwan mo mom ko. Ba't kailangan pang i-post yung mga bagay na yun sa internet, di ba? Na ikaw rin mismo sumisira sa sarili mong pamilya. So, instead of, or yung mga naninira dyan rin ng ibang tao, so instead of posting sa Facebook and Twitter na mga posts na nakakasira ng kapwa mo or ng sarili mong pamilya, why not place inspiring posts? Yun ang ginagawa ko rin sa mga Facebook ko, sa vlogs ko. Why not place inspiring posts? Nakakatulong ka pa. In a way, nakakatulong ka. For example, meron yung heartbroken or may malaking problem, nabasa yung inspiring post mo na na-inspire pa siya. Nakatulong ka pa. Maganda pa ang nagawa mo through the use of internet. And you should, as a youth or young people, you should be role models for your fellow youth. So, paano maging role models? Siyempre, mag-aral, ako, working student ako nung college ako eh. At the age of 18, I started working na. So, ako nagpa-aral ng sarili ko sa medicine. So, ilang jobs ng business ako para mapaaral ko sarili ko sa medicine. So, yun, mag-aral kayo, sali kayo sa mga clubs na maganda ang ginagawa, like pagtulong sa mga nangangailangan, mga medical missions, ganyan. So, the usual question is, how can I, or the usual question for the youth sa inyo, how can I help the needy and be a role model to others or make a difference in this world if I'm still young and I'm just in high school? So mind you, yung high school pa lang ako, napakita ko na nga sa yung background ko, high school pa lang ako, marami na ako nagagawa para sa sarili ko, para sa future ko, para sa pamilya ko, at para sa kapwa ko. So the answer is, or my answer is, don't think that because you are still in high school and young, that you don't have the power. Kasi mind you again, that the majority of the Philippine and world population are teenagers. And majority of internet users too are teenagers. Kaya you have all the power. And kung wala kayo, if without you, many people today will have no jobs. Like for example, yung mga tricycle driver, jeepney drivers, mga fast food restaurants or restaurants, mga gaming areas sa mga malls, yung mga games sa PS3. Bakit? Kasi kayo ang main market ng lahat ng businesses. Kasi kayo ang pinaka-largest population. For example ako, nagtayo ako ng stall, mga food cart sa SM. Ang target ko talaga kayo, kasi kayo yung mahilig sa mga pika-pika, ganun, di ba? Ang hilig sa mga like fishball, ganyan. So, kayo talaga ang main market. Kaya you have the voice and the power because you are important to the society. Always remember that kasi yun ang totoo. And of course, ano ang famous quote sa love? For example, isa rin yun, pero for example, mas matanda sa iyong guy o mas matanda sa iyong girl, malaking age gap nyo. So if in love, age doesn't matter, then in making a difference in this world, age won't matter too. Kahit na bata kayo, youth pa kayo, meron kayong magagawa para sa mundo natin. Kung gusto nyo, of course, nasa will nyo yan. So, but there's a catch. Doon nga sa Spider-Man, merong quote pero binago ko na eh. Knowing that you have the power allows you to do anything, so comes with great responsibility. So it's better to put it in good use. Sa mga kabutihan, magandang bagay, to inspire the youth, your fellow youth, make a good living. So para sa akin, personally, mas sikat ka at in kapag maganda at inspiring ang sinasabi mo sa internet. Which is true naman, di ba? Mas maraming nagla-like pag maganda ang sinasulat. And then, of course, after na medyo nakilala na yung name ko as a vlogger, doon na ako nagsisimulang magkawang-gawa and using my name para magkawang everything is possible as long as you start with a dream, and yung dream na yon, you should be responsible to take good care of it. And paano mo iingatan yung dream mo? You should live and pursue a clean life. Ano yung clean life? Mag-aral kayo, huwag kayong magsalita ng masama sa kapwa nyo or neighbors nyo. Lagi kayo mag-inspire, maging mabuting kabataan, tumulong. And one day, like ako, 10 years ago, pinangarap ko lang yung mga bagay na magkaroon ng magandang buhay. After 10 years, I just realized na my dreams in the past are now realities in my life. So thank you, and be responsible and good role model youth. Do not only think before you click, but in life in general, think before you act. So this is my website. Thank you. Yung website ko, komplehin nyo na. Visit nyo.
27 AL,
28 naman.
28, he is already an accomplished man.
Hindi pa.
So can you do that also? Yes. So with all the insights that he has shared, so I can't believe that at age 6, that's the last time that I saw him, at age 6, and now he's now standing in front of all of us, giving an inspiration with all the achievements that he had. So I wish that most, not some, most of you will be like him in the future. So despite all these achievements, so I'm so proud that he remained so humble and he was able to keep his values. So character is still the tool for success. So with that, thank you AL for giving us this precious time. I know that you're a very busy person, but you said yes to inspire this youth. Thank you very much.
So this is my former tutor, 6 years old ako, and after 22 years, we've seen each other. Principal na siya sa Lorma High School. So this is Mrs. Elizabeth Ramos Camara. Thank you for inviting me.
I'm so proud of your achievement.
So it's been 22 years who would thought na magkita ulit kami at this event. So thank you so much to Lorma and to the staff or the teachers of Lorma.
The way a 3-year-old would do.
So I hope may natutunan kayo sa aking speech sa Lorma Colleges, sa kanilang leadership training, na ang pamagat or ang theme is Think Before You Click, Filipino Youth as Stewards for Responsible Social Networking. Just visit my website, armyyusun.com, and check out all of my latest videos, photos, and articles. So that's all, folks. Yeah, ba?